Hello students. Children, we have already completed 2 lessons of maths, lesson number 2 and 4, including the exercises. But the exercises of lesson number 1 are left to be done. So we are starting the exercise of first lesson. I hope you all have copied down the last 2 lessons completely in your notebook. After that, you can start this lesson. Okay. Before starting the exercise, I want to make you revise some of the important points. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Now, like in normal numbers, when you add 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, as normal numbers we can do. Now, second point, when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. That means when we add the number, we don't have to take the negative sign, we will take the absolute value. Absolute value of minus 4 is 4 and the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. What is absolute value? The value of the numerical value of the number disregarding the sign. Means value of the number without considering the sign is called a absolute value. So minus 4 absolute value is 4 and the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. So we have to add the number without considering the sign. 4 plus 5, 9. And the minus sign will be placing before the answer. Understood? But when one positive and one negative integers are added, the answer may be positive or negative. Then in such cases, we take the difference in their absolute value and place the sign of the integer having the greater absolute value. I have taken the example minus 15 plus 10 is equal to minus 5. Just you look at the sign. Are they of the same sign? No. One is positive and one is negative. Minus 15 that is negative and 10 is positive. They are of different sign. If both the integers are of different sign, you have to find the difference of their absolute value. What is the absolute value of minus 15? 15. Absolute value of 10 is 10. Now you find the difference of 15 and 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. Okay. Then what the sign should be given? You have to give the sign of the greater integer. 15 and 10. Greater number is 15. And sign of 15 is minus. So the answer will be minus 5. See, when we compare the numbers, the greater or smaller, you don't have to consider the sign. Only we will consider the absolute value. Minus 15's absolute value is 15. 15 minus 10 is 5. And the greater number sign, 15 sign we will give. Okay. Now second example, 15 plus minus 10 is equal to 5. See, here also one integer is positive, 15 is positive, and minus 10 that is negative. They are of different sign, one positive and one negative. When we have to add such numbers, we will take their absolute value. 15 absolute value is 15. Minus 10 absolute value is 10. Now we will find the difference. Difference is 5. And here greater number sign we have to give. Greater number is 15. 15 is positive. So the answer will be positive. Understood? Now we will consider the subtraction. For subtraction of integers, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is to be subtracted. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is the same number with opposite sign. Example is taken minus 10 minus 5. Which number is to be subtracted? 5 is to be subtracted from minus 10. So what is the additive inverse of 5? Additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, right? So we have to do the addition of minus 10. Then subtraction will change into addition. And the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. We will be adding minus 10 plus minus 5. Both are negative integers. So we will add their absolute value and give a negative sign. 10 plus 5 is 15. And with the common sign negative. So answer will be minus 15. Now I am going to show the additive inverse of some integers. First taken 10. Additive inverse of 10 is minus 10. See, number will not be changing, only sign will change. Minus 10 additive inverse is 10. 76 additive inverse minus 76, minus 11 additive inverse 11. That means the additive inverse of any integer a is minus a and the additive inverse of minus a is a. That means if the integer is positive, additive inverse will be negative. And if the integer is negative, additive inverse will be positive. Now we will consider some more examples of subtraction. 56 minus 73. So which is the number to be subtracted? 73. So we have to take the additive inverse of 73. 56 minus 73 will be changing into 53 plus. Minus sign will change into plus. 56 plus additive inverse of 73. That means 56 plus minus 73 is equal to one positive and one negative. That means we have to find the difference. 73 minus 56 is 17 and 73 is greater than 56. So sign of 73 is minus and we will get a minus 17 as the answer. Okay, next example, 56 minus 73. Same numbers I have taken but signs are different. This also will change into 56 plus additive inverse of minus 73. And additive inverse of minus 73 is 73. 56 plus 73 is equal to 129. The next example, minus 79 minus 45. We will change it to minus 79 plus additive inverse of 45. First number will not be changing. See, the sign also will not change of the first integer. So minus 79 plus minus 45. Both are negative. Both the integers are negative. So only add the absolute value and give the negative sign. It's equal to minus 124. Okay, now we will solve the exercise from textbook. First question, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Our questions are, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So some more questions are given. First you will see the number line. The number line, then integers from minus 10 to 25 are marked. Right? You know, 0 integers include negative integers, 0 and positive integers. Positive integers are placed on the right side of 0 and negative integers are placed on the left side of 0. Now, the temperature of the places of Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bengaluru are given. And you know, as we move to the left side of the number line, the value of the integers decreases. And as we move to the right side, integers value will be increasing. Now, Lahul Spiti's temperature is between minus 5 and minus 10. So what is the temperature? Minus 5 is given here. The next line will be showing minus 6, next line minus 7, and next line shows the temperature at Lahul Spiti. That is minus 8, right? Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So the temperature at Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. That is the coldest place, having the least temperature or the minimum temperature. Now, Srinagar's temperature is there, that is coming between 0 and minus 5, right? So it will be 0, we will start from 0, the next number will be minus 1, minus 2. The temperature at Srinagar will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla is shown on the right side of 0 and the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Then Ooty, temperature of Ooty is marked between 10 and 15. We will start from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooty's temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. And then Bengaluru, which is the hottest place marked among these places, and its temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So Lahul Spiti's temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, and Bengaluru being the hottest place, temperature is minus 22, not minus, positive 22 degrees Celsius. Now, from this we can write the answer for the first question. The second question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above places. See, I have to change the slide. Will be for a question. You should open the textbook and see the question from textbook. First question is explained. Temperature marked on various places are given. Now, second question. The difference in the temperature of the hottest place and the coldest place. What is the temperature of the hottest place? That is Bangalore, 22 degrees Celsius. And the coldest place is Lahul Spiti, minus 80 degrees Celsius. The difference always we have to minus the smaller number from the greater number. 22 degrees Celsius minus 80 degrees Celsius. For subtraction, we will add the additive inverse. So 22 degrees Celsius plus additive inverse of minus 8, that is 8 degrees Celsius. 22 plus 8, both are positive integers. Answer is 30 degrees Celsius. That is, the difference in the temperature of the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. Now, the next question. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay. Lahul Spiti's temperature is minus 80 degrees Celsius and Srinagar it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. You will see the difference. Lahul Spiti minus 8 and temperature minus 2. Difference here also, which is greater number. And as I told, as we move to the left side of the number line, value of the integers decreases. And minus 8 is to the left of minus 2. That is minus 2 is greater, right? So for finding difference, we will minus 8 from minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 being the bigger number, bigger integer, that is to be written first. So difference is minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Here also for doing subtraction, we will add the additive inverse of minus 8. That means minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. One integer is positive and one is negative. Absolute value is 2 and 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And greater integer is 8. So the answer is 6 degrees Celsius. Now the next question is, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay. Here we have to take the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar together. That means we have to add the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. Then we have to see whether this temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. What is the temperature at Srinagar? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. And if we take the temperature of the two cities together means we will plus the two integers, minus 2 plus 5. One integer is positive, one is negative. That is difference we will find. 2 and 5 difference is 3. Greater integer is 5. So sign is positive. If we add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, we will get the answer 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. And we have to compare this temperature with the Shimla's temperature. What is the temperature of Shimla? It is 5 degrees Celsius. And you know 3 is smaller than 5. So the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of the temperature Shimla by 2 degrees Celsius. And also another part of the question is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? And the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. But the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Which is greater, 3 or minus 2? 3 is greater, right? So the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay, we'll be discussing one more question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers, wrong answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, and 10, what was his total at the end? So for the quiz competition, for correct answers, positive marks are given, and for wrong answers, negative integers are given. So what is the total score? His scores are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, and 10. First, we will add all the positive integers. Which are the positive integers here? 25 is positive, 15 is positive, and 10 is positive. So 25 plus 15 plus 10, that is 25. For correct answers, he scored 50 points. Now, what is the mark he got for the incorrect answers? 2 negative marks are there, -5 and -10. That also we will add. -5 plus -10, both are of the same sign. Add and give the negative sign. -5 plus -10 is equal to -15. Now, total score. And what mark he got for the positive answers? 50. And for negative answers, or incorrect answers, he got a -15. And the difference is 50 plus -15. One integer is positive and other one is negative. So we will take the absolute value. 50 and 15. Difference is 35. Bigger integer is positive. So answer is positive. So his total score at the end of the competition is 35. Okay, children. We will meet again with the remaining questions in the next video.